Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the buzzer in your phone, Samsung Galaxy A30s. We need a rectangular brush with flexible bristles, either soft or medium hard but not too hard, because we have delicate parts and the phone itself. We need isopropyl alcohol, which will simply soften the dirt for us. This way, the dirt will come off easily, and then the alcohol will evaporate without leaving any trace. You can buy the whole set on Allegro or Amazon. This is what it looks like. These are the brushes in exactly these two types. So you can use this if you don't have one. You can always use a regular toothbrush, just make sure it's soft and not hard. The phone must always be turned off before the procedure, never on. So we soak the brush thoroughly with alcohol so that it's wet. We pick up the phone like this, and here we have the buzzer in the openings, so we clean each one with a single directional motion, 5 times per opening in one direction, then 5 times in the other direction, each opening as well. Then up and down, meaning to the sides of the phone as it were. For each individual opening, you should carefully repeat this entire process 5 times in each direction. And once you have finished, the surface should be fairly clean and free of debris. It should now work just like new, without any problems. Why use a single direction? Because with a single direction we sweep the dirt out of the openings, whereas if we went back and forth, one way then the other, then the dirt would remain in the openings and it wouldn't work as it should. After the procedure, we leave the phone for about 10 minutes to let the recommended alcohol evaporate, and then the phone will be ready to use. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.